In this video, we are looking at a IEM from Greece, Soundz Customs. This is their flame. I requested them not to send the retail box, but they insisted that they want to send the retail box. So here it is, Soundz Custom. Not a very well-known brand, but they are getting some positive feedback from most. So here it is, 8 drivers in your monitor. So this is a review sample. I have not bought it or anything like that, and the custom was a bit on the higher side, but still this is a fairly hyped IEM as of now, priced at I think 1,000 euros, not dollar, it is in euro. So this is the IEM flame. As you guys can see, decent cable. I'm not complaining about the cable or anything like that, but as you guys can see, this isn't exactly the best kind of cable. These cables are available at around 70 $80 max. So but it is slightly different. You guys can see the texture in the cable, slightly different texture, so it might be a bit more premium than a few other, but I do not think this is going anywhere more than $100. So it is okay. I'm not exactly very positive about this cable, but it's okay. Nothing exactly to complain about. But here is the flame in black shell. Soundz. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this, but Soundz to be precise. And let's have a look at the bows. We have a tri-bow design and 8 drivers. You guys can see from the material here, the case, 8 drivers in your monitor. Flame Soundz custom, Soundz concept, they are saying. Soundz custom. Connect and toolkit. I'm expecting a cleaning tool and some tips here, and yes, some tips and a cleaning tool, a few more tips. These are foam inserted tips. These are very good quality foam inserted tips. So yeah, these are what I like a lot. And there is a cleaning cloth to clean the IEM, so that is that. And yep, I'm not sure what this to do, but this is for guitars, for those who play some instrument like guitar maybe. And that's it. That is all what we get when we pay around $1,100 or 1,000 euros. Do we have some other documentation? There is a switch, and I'm not exactly sure what this switch does, but I'll check and let you guys know when I compare it with Fibe 5 and 64 audio U4S. I'll let you guys know what this button does. Let's see if there is any information about that. No. 2 years warranty, that is a good thing, and 90 days for all sound here, 90 days for the cable. Okay, 90 days for the cable. So yeah, standard warranty. There isn't anything fancy about it. And here are some specification about the IEM. 4 bass mid, 2 mid high and 2 super high. Looks decent. There isn't anything wrong here. 16.6 ohm, 8 BA, decent sensitivity. There isn't anything wrong with it either. So 4-way drivers, cable, cleaning tool, and in-ear monitor. So that's it. This is the unboxing of Soundz custom flame. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.